Hey guys, so I've talked about noise sensitivity and how it relates to decreased GABA in the auditory system. And at the same time, I've said many times that autism is not a disorder but a neurological type. So there might be some misunderstanding from all of that information taken together. So let me try to explain. Why is noise sensitivity not a disorderly thing, but rather an evolutionary advantage if you consider the environment? So when I go in nature, I can hear every single sound of a bird, of an insect, of the leaves of the trees being blown by the wind. Everything, every single detail. That only becomes a disadvantage when you're in the city and you're bombarded with all kinds of machinery noise, from cars, from construction sites, from everything. After all, GABA is an inhibitory neurotransmitter. So it means that our sense of noise is not so inhibited as with neurotypical people. So some people's auditory system evolved that way because it was beneficial to perceive even little noises. It was beneficial for staying vigilant, for warding off predators. It was probably beneficial for hunting, even though I'm not a big fan of that. Anyway, so consider this. Most of the traits, or should I say, all of the traits that are considered disorderly in an autistic person, in the proper environment, they're actually advantageous. That's why there are so many musicians who are autistic. Your hearing is also related to the vestibulary apparatus, and as such, it might be related to orientation as well. So, back in the past, this might have been an evolutionary trait for better orientation. So don't fool yourself. You're not disordered. You were built like this for a purpose. And probably our purpose in modern day society is to change it. To change it so that it becomes healthier for other people to live in it. So that it's less noisy and more environmentally friendly. Take care, guys. Don't hate your noise sensitivity. Embrace it.